Hi English 9A, welcome to week 2. I just want to do a quick overview of what you guys can expect for this week. We have class this week on Thursday, so I hope to see you all there. And then we will also in this video be quickly going over what you need to do in order to earn the extra credit points. So for this week's assignments, you have your week 1 introduction video, which you're watching right now. And then today or Tuesday, you also have your introduction discussion to do, which I just post a quick little hypothetical on, and you are going to respond to me regarding those questions. Once you're done with that on Tuesday, you're all done. Now, it looks like the next thing isn't due till Thursday, and that's true, but I give you the opportunity, and if you look at your calendar, you should all have that yellow calendar that I gave you last week. It tells you to start on it on Wednesday and then finish it up and submit it on Thursday. So what you should do to break it up so it doesn't feel so big and overwhelming is do the reading on Wednesday and answer the questions in the margin as you're going. And then on Thursday, you can do the after read questions that follow the story. Now, Friday's assignment is going to be what we talk about in class on Thursday. So on Thursday's class, you see it says the Necklace Nonfiction Connection writing prompts. So we'll be going over those writing prompts in class on Thursday, and I'll be setting you up to be able to write those writing prompts on your own on Friday. You may even get started on some of them in class to help you be prepared for that assignment. Now, one thing to keep in mind, this week and next week, you have a writing prompt that has 3 questions, and you need to respond to all 3 of those questions with a full paragraph. So ultimately, you'll be writing 3 paragraphs. You only have to choose one of those assignments. So you can choose to either write these 3 paragraphs that we'll talk about in this week's class, or you can choose to write next week's paragraphs, which we'll talk about in next week's class. So you're just choosing to do one or the other. If you have any questions on that, please let me know. So for your English 9 extra credit this week, you guys are going to be watching a follow-up video about kind of having doubts about ourselves, blocking ourselves from being able to find success. And what I want you to do is I want you to watch it and I want you to listen to it. And I want you to find one line and tell me why you think that particular line speaks to you, or maybe you can say something about that line. And then if you can say any more about it, maybe you can talk about how in the video, it talks about how the person has confidence and then begins to lose that confidence. We all start out our quarter super confident. We've got plans, we've got dreams, we're going to be so successful. And then I see that often falters and wavers starting about week 4, which we're not there yet. So hopefully everybody's still super confident. But I want to know what you hope to do in order to maintain that drive, that passion to be successful in this class. If you have any questions on the extra credit or any questions on the assignments this week, please come in and see me. I'm happy to help. Bye.